Hey guys, welcome to another interview where we'll be interviewing one of the students of JBIMS. His name is Samyak, and today we'll be talking to him about his preparation for CET, how's it going in JBIMS, and much more. So, watch the video till the very end. And before we start the interview, just want one small announcement to make that new courses are available on our website. So, if you're interested, just have a look. We've reduced the prices, we've included crash course, solo courses, and much more. So just have a look. The number is also there in the description. So in case you need any help, just call or text on that number. All right, Samak, thank you so much for joining us for this interview. JBIMS हेक्टिक होता है, एमएससी फाइनेंस हेक्टिक होता है, फाइनेंस का इतना सब होता है बोझ स्टूडेंट पे. उसके बाद also thank you for finding some time for this interview.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vedant, for having me. First of all, it's so nice talking to you after so long time. Thank you so much for having me.
Thanks, yeah. So I'll straight away go to the questions. My first question would be, can you tell something about yourself to our aspirants? Like, what is your background? Like, how much did you score in CET? What were you doing while preparing for CET? How many attempts did you give for CET? All these things.
Yeah. So first of all, hi. My name is Samyak Ambade. I completed my graduation in civil engineering. I did my graduation from College of Engineering Pune. Post that, I'm a complete fresher because, like, since from my college days, I was very much interested and curious to learn about finance. I did not opt for a job later. I directly started preparing for MBA CET, and that's how I got into JBIMS MSc Finance program. And being at JBIMS, I am also part of the students academic committee where I handle the academic concerns of my batch and also act as a bridge between all the faculties and the batch.
Oh,
So yeah,
so
that's
cool.
something about.
You studied from COEP and COEP के final year में CET देके and then you got into JBMS.
No. Not in the final year, but I took a 1 year drop. So yeah, so I prepared for in that 1 year,
Okay.
and after that, yes.
All right. So, Samya, could you also tell us that what was your daily schedule like in that 1 year when you had taken a drop similar to mine मैंने भी लिया था. So, just tell our aspirants कि जो अभी full time है preparation में उनको पूरा दिन कैसे divide करना चाहिए या फिर how much they should study.
All right. So I believe like you should first of all not even waste a single day, I would say. So what I did was I was pretty much focused in what I wanted. I really wanted to get into JBIMS as it was my dream college. I was very much intrigued by the prestige of the college and the ROI that the college gives. So I had this motivation that I need to study daily. So how I divided my day was that since from morning itself to till the evening, I used to go to the library and I used to sit like for 8 to 10 hours the whole day, and all day I used to jot down all the subjects that were in the sections and prepare each subject, go through each subject once, and decide what to study based on the weightage given to the particular subject. And in this scenario also TTP helped me a lot. Like before I joined TTP, I did not have much of a structure, but after I joined TTP, I really so what TTP provided was they provided a list of important subjects that are topics in that are asked in the examination, and they were given priorities. So I had this proper structure, so I followed it. And the TTP portal, the TTP mocks that I took, they really they helped me improve my scores a lot, I believe.
Amazing. I'm so glad that TTB helped you and helped you get into JBMS. हम लोग का motive तो यही है that through TTB we'd be able to help all the students get into their dream colleges and JBMS firstly because that's where dreams are made. So perfect. So Samyak, you are in MSc Finance right now. So could you also tell some things about the course, about MSc Finance course कि कैसा लग रहा है, क्या क्या है उसमें, and also how the process is like.
Right. So I will first of all explain the process of getting into MSc Finance program. So like after you give your CET, after you get your percentile and all, so many students might know that MSc Finance program is a like a particular program of JBIMS. It does not only include your you do not get admission only based on your percentile, but you also have to go through a process of GDPI and VAT examinations. So after the percentiles are out, you will get a application form which for the MSc Finance program. There will be asked about your profile, like what's your 10, 12, and what your graduation scores were. Then they also asked about mathematics scores that you scored in graduation and all. And I believe one of the most important thing that noticed in the application form was that they asked your reason, like what was your purpose? Why did you actually want to join MSc Finance? So you need to have a strong motivation that why you need to pursue finance as your career. So based on the application score, once you're shortlisted, then you will be sitting for group discussion, personal interview, and what examinations. And based on that, you will be shortlisted.
Perfect. आई होप नाउ ऑल द एस्पिरेंट्स और द व्यूअर्स वुड नो कि एमएससी फाइनेंस में अगर जाना है तो कैसे घुसना है, क्या क्या चीज़ें करने के लिए, जीडीपी है, वैट. इनफैक्ट वी ऑल्सो कीप जीडीपी एंड वैट प्रिपरेशन फॉर ऑल दी स्टूडेंट्स. एंड I'm sure quite a few had also gotten into MSc Finance and MHRD through TTP GDPI course.
Yeah, I wanted to mention one thing that TTP also helped me in this situation in GDPI process as well. Like since when I was joined with TTP, they have this TTP WhatsApp group. So you get a lot of you get a community of students that you are with. So you can also take leverage of that. I believe that you can make small circle and you can prepare practice group discussions with them. So it actually helps improve your speaking skills, and I also believe they also help you improve your personal interview as well.
And thank you so much for that again. तो सम्यक, I think 5-6 महीने अभी हो गए एमएससी फाइनेंस में, right? So could
Yeah.
you tell the aspirants कि how the course is like, मजा आ रहा है क्या उसमें, फाइनेंस के बारे में कितना इन डेप्थ नॉलेज मिलता है, एक्सेट्रा.
Yes. So uh, maybe many students might know that MSc Finance program was started in 2013. So it was started by our ex Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh. So he like wanted to have a course as MSc Finance, which was particularly a course in the London School of Economics. So he wanted a similar course in India. That's why he started this course in India. So MSc Finance, I would say the curriculum is very, very, very focused and very, very, it dives deep into the finance world, I believe. So like we have all the subjects like capital markets, then corporate finance, we have investment banking, we have fixed income securities, we have. So I believe all these subjects, it's a very core finance thing. So it does really shape the students of MSc Finance to really independently, and the students of MSc Finance are really ready. I believe ready for jobs like maybe credit analyst, valuation analyst, equity research, and all. So I believe the course that does really shape the students very well.
In fact, I remember during my time there were so many companies who were asking for MSc finance students specifically for placements. कि नहीं चाहिए मुझे एमएमएस फाइनेंस है, मेरे को एमएससी फाइनेंस वाले चाहिए, बिकॉज 2 years they've just studied finance and the kind of knowledge that they have is crazy about finance.
Yes,
So
yes.
Samyak, my penultimate question would be, what are your batchmates and your faculty like as compared to MMS, and faculty probably from somewhere outside from the corporate giant conglomerates, C-suite employees? Who are they? How are your batchmates like? And also, if you're trying to complete something from the previous answer, please include that also.
Sure, sure. So I will talk about my batchmates that yes, there is variety of people that are in my batch. Like yeah, majority of engineers and commerce people. Some of them are from pharma background, some have UPSC background. So
Hmm.
it's not like that only some particular group of students are selected. If you have the right reason to get into the finance program, that you can get into the program. Talking about faculties, I would like to say that so one thing that JBIMS has provided is that all the faculties, they are not just faculties, but they are leaders in the corporate world. So what you get is the perspective of someone who is already working, who's already impacting India's economy and impacting business decisions in real life. So you get to learn from those people at JBIMS is what I believe is the ultimate use of JBIMS, I would say.
करेक्ट. बिकॉज सिर्फ थियोरेटिकल चीजें पढ़ के फायदा है नहीं.
No,
All these guys from outside, they come and show us ki how this theory and the practical stuff that they do
yeah,
are
how to
related.
yeah.
So that's the whole point of JBMS. सिर्फ सिर्फ theory knowledge is not enough, guys. So that's what JBMS gives you, and it's because of the proximity that every professor, every faculty who comes there as a visiting or full time are from these giant conglomerates, and they give you exactly what you need to know once you enter the corporate world. Well, Samak, one final question. What advice would you give to our aspirants right now who are preparing for CET? And also, you'd know that there are two attempts now for CET, one in April and one in May.
Yeah.
So, what advice do you have for them?
First of all, don't actually. I believe that you should not focus on the second attempt. You should try to clear it in the first attempt itself. So for that, I believe he will also help if you join TTP. It can definitely help you in your process. One major advice I would like to say that you need to stay consistent. You need to give mocks regularly and analyze them as thorough as possible. And I also believe that this is where TTP can also help, as the TTP mentors, they do really motivate you a lot so that you don't feel down in any situation. Yeah, that's
Thank
all I
you
can
for
say.
the kind words here, and I hope the aspirants would have gotten motivated after watching this interview. Guys, I'll also put Samyak's LinkedIn profile in the description if you want to just have a look at his profile. And again, if you want to connect with TTP, everything is there in the description. Just text us or call us, and we'll be back to you. Thank you so much, Samyak, for being with us.
Thank you, Vedant. Thank you for having me.